Steel topic here. If you enjoy the videos or the content, please like and subscribe. Thanks. What I have for you today is the Remette RT-Saker Falcon. I'm going to do a little unboxing. So it comes in a little zip pouch with a microfiber cloth. Take a look at this thing. It's pretty nice. I like the design of the blade. It's got a tanto edge with a harpoon on top. So this is a button frame lock. So this is the button here that presses in and pushes the frame out of the way. As you can see there. Great action. It's a top flipper, 2.99 inch blade with S45VN steel. It's a hollow grind. HRC is between 60 and 61. Pivot assembly, ceramic caged ball bearings. Handle is 4.25 inches, made of titanium with a carbon fiber inlay. And the pocket clip is made out of titanium, is reversible, and it is tip up. Feels good. The Ergos are nice. I have a large hand. Get all four of the fingers there. Pretty good jimping over the top there. Actually open back. It does have a lanyard hole. Let's do a hardware check. This is the T8. And the pivot, main pivot is T8. Those are T8. Get a weight on this thing. 4.25 ounces. Let's get a comparison check. Benchmade, bug out. Pretty comparable. Ontario Rat 1. The Ritter Hogue. On to the pros and cons. Pros. It's got T8s all the way around. Really well made knife. Really smooth actuation. Measure this here. So right at the top is 0.13 and 0.13. 0.13. I like the milling way around the knife there, the edges there. Some of the cons are there's no metal indication on the blade. That sucks. That doesn't have it. I really prefer the knife to have steel indication on it. See all the grinds in the blade. Other than that, it's pretty sweet.